Is there any external force acting on this body? No external force acts on a body. Here definitely there is a presence of external force, external resistive forces. And frequency of the vibration here, the frequency depends on the size and shape of the body and remains constant. And in this case, the frequency of the vibration is less than natural frequency. Why is the frequency of damped vibration lesser? Because there is some loss of energy. When there is loss of energy, the frequency is also going to get dampened. So the frequency is a little lesser than natural. But the natural vibration is when a body is at the full potential. जागो करके सो रहा है पूरा. Full potential पे body है जब. Vacuum है, सब कुछ, everything is ideal conditions. That time we can experience natural vibration. बाकी in real world we experience force के damp. In real world, all the vibrations are damped. Okay. Now we come to force vibration. Force क्या होगा? When there is an external force which has been applied on the body. External force. So what does it say? The vibration of a body which takes place under the influence of an external force. Okay. External force has to be periodic or not? That external force also has to be periodic. If the external force is periodic, मैंने उसको periodic motion में set कर दिया, झूला झूल रहे हैं, like झूला, that swing that you have. So we give it that kind of a rhythm or not? है कि नहीं? इसीलिए that starts oscillating like that. We have to give refraction here, refraction. We have to give it that kind of a motion. We have to set it off in a rhythmic motion or a periodic motion. Only then it will be able to have that kind of a moving pendulous effect. Isn't it? What are the examples of force vibration? Stem of vibrating tuning fork. Tuning fork है आपके पास. Vibrate कर रहा है. उसको टेबल पे is pressed against the any table. What will happen to it? Let's say there is one tuning fork which I am just holding. There is another tuning fork which is vibrating. If I bring that tuning fork next to the other tuning fork, they both will vibrate at the same time. It can be transferred. It can be transferred through a sound box. So when a stem of a vibrating tuning fork is pressed against the top of a table, the tuning fork forces the tabletop to vibrate. One vibrating body, when you touch that body, the surface which is touching, this is an important concept, so much. When a vibrating body is touched, you will also feel the vibration or not? Yes. And if anything else is touching me, that it is a mechanical wave, ना? यहाँ से यहाँ transfer हुआ, यहाँ से आगे जाएगा. So that is what I am trying to say. If there is a box or a mechanical surface which is holding two tuning forks, इसका एक vibrate कर रहा है, दूसरा नहीं कर रहा है. So the vibrating tuning fork will slowly transfer its vibrations to the other tuning fork or not?
इसलिए यहाँ पर finger रखते तो आपके
हाथ भी vibrate होता है. हमें vibration feel होता है. मैं अगर तेरे इधर finger रखूँ, say something, you are transferring that vibration to me. Understood? See, that is the. I don't believe in all these spiritual things and all, but they say that when you close your ears and you say Om, जब भी बोलते हैं Om, तो वो क्या होता है? Actual point is that's all, not Om. Om is nothing to do with it. That murmur of our inside our body. सिर्फ बस करके Om कोई नहीं बोलेगा. करोगे ना, you will feel the vibration. Why? When I am doing that, that is the maximum vibration. M gives the maximum vibration here. So it vibrates throughout our body, throughout our mind. उसको ओम बना दिया है किसी ने. So that is the thing. It vibrates inside my body, and that vibration is basically shaking us up. कुछ भी नहीं होता है, no scientific evidence. But लगता है कि कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ काम नहीं करा तो उसको हिला दो तो काम करेगा. This is an Indian mentality. कि टीवी को मारो जोर से तो चलने लगेगा. So that is the thing. So that is what we are doing to ourselves.
रिमोट को मारते हो चले.
हाँ, मारते हो तो चलने लगता है. That is what we are. There is no scientific evidence for this. But yes, you are feeling your own. The point is you are feeling your own vibration. You are spreading that vibration slowly throughout your entire body. There is no good vibe, bad vibe. कुछ वाइब नहीं कर रहा है, ये हो गया वो, कुछ नहीं होता है ये सब, बस।
You failed the vibration.
So this is basically the whole point is every क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग वाइब मैच नहीं करना मतलब क्या? We are not at the same frequency.
मैच नहीं करना है।
ये पूरे साइंटिफिक टर्म्स है कि नहीं? मेरा अभी आप लोगों के साथ कितना हम लोग रूम में साथ में स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, हम लोग का कभी भी वाइब मैच नहीं करेगा। But the thing is when you are together there are people who are everyone has a similar you know, you are in the similar class, you are studying the similar things, you have you know friends who are in the same circle. Shut up same circle, so you have a tendency of having the same vibe. If you get a person who has come, please don't disturb my class, if you don't want to study, get out. If you meet a person who is 40 years old like me, who is not in your same school, who hates you, will you ever have the vibe check? So vibrations match कर सकते हैं only when the other person is gullible, उसका कोई personality नहीं है और तुम भर के हो personality तुम्हारा, तो तुम धीरे धीरे उसको थोड़ा तो उसपे you know they will also start learning something from you. That is the thing. बच्चा पैदा होता है, कुछ personality होता है उसके पास, कुछ नहीं होता है, useless piece of shit. धीरे धीरे उसको सिखाते हैं कि नहीं हम, अरे listen, धीरे धीरे he learns or not. Who does he learn? He or she learn from? Who does he learn from? From the parents. So who is around them? Only they can affect the vibe of the child. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम लोग घर पे मराठी में बात करते हैं, बच्चा बंगाली में बात करने लगा, कभी नहीं होगा. So effect of the vibration can only be, anybody can only be affected when there is a close near, like you know, a certain vibration around it. Only that can affect the body. That is what the vibration entire आपका vibe check यही है. इसी से आता है आपका concept of resonance. अच्छा फोर्स वाइब्रेशन का एग्जांपल देखो. Vibrations produced in a अच्छा बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल देखो. Pacemaker. When heart stops functioning by itself, that means it stops beating on its own. तो क्या बताते हैं? Pacemaker. Pacemaker क्या करता है? Pacemaker
मैनुअली करता है,
रिदम देता है, एक्सटर्नल पीरियोडिक फोर्स अप्लाई करता है हमारे हार्ट पे और वो हार्ट को वाइब्रेट करता है. हार्ट भी वाइब्रेट हो रहा है कि नहीं? इट्स अ फोर्स, एक्सटर्नल वाइब्रेशन, एक्सटर्नल पीरियोडिक दे रहे हैं कि नहीं गाई तो क्या गाना बजाता है क्या अंदर? नहीं, इट गिव्स अ सर्टेन वाइब्रेशन. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. वाइब्रेशंस प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ डायफ्राम ऑफ अ माइक्रोफोन. मैंने बात किया तो उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे टिम्बर पे जाएगा कि नहीं? उसी का एक्सटेंडेड लाउडर वर्जन बाकी सबको सुनाई देगा. मेरे आवाज में मैं बात करूंगी तो मिकी माउस की आवाज में तो नहीं सुनाई देगा, मेरी आवाज में सुनाई देगा, बट इट विल एम्प्लीफाई माय वॉइस. So that is also a type of forced vibration or not. My vibration is getting transferred to the microphone. That is getting converted to electrical energy. That is getting again reconverted to sound energy. So this entire conversion requires one force, which is my vibration. Vibration उसका वही रहेगा, मेरे आवाज का ही vibration.
impersonating someone.
Yes, they are trying to have the same timbre as the other person.
So it is forced now.
Yes, it is forced. It is forced. It is forced. You're right. Naughty. Correct. I remember naughty. We'll do that at the end of the class. In a guitar, अभी गिटार इतना अच्छा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, लेकिन इसको पकड़ के अगर बोला बजाओ, गाना बजाओ, हम गाते हैं. So he wouldn't know what to play for how much duration, right? Somebody who doesn't know how to play a guitar would not be able to strum a certain song. But the one who knows how to play a guitar can strum it, क्योंकि उसको पता है कितने टाइम बाद उसको कौन से की को बजाना है. So that is also forced periodic vibration or not? Understood the examples of forced vibration. So what are forced vibrations once again? The vibrations that takes place in a body due to the influence of a periodic external force. समझ गए? नेचुरल और फोर्स वाइब्रेशन के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या होगा? वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द बॉडी हैपेंस इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी रेजिस्टिव फोर्सेस. फोर्स वाइब्रेशन, the key ingredient is an external key ingredient is an external periodic force. Frequency of the vibration depends completely on the body, the shape of the body, the material of the body, the nature of the body. Here, does it depend on the nature of the body? No. It depends on the nature of the frequency applied to it. समझ में आया? It depends on the nature of the external body which is applying the frequency. Frequency of vibration in natural vibrations will remain constant, but here I can change it or not. I can modulate it based on what I want out of it, right? And amplitude of vibration remains constant in natural vibration. Here, the amplitude changes as per the source. Source is responsible for everything.